What is up, you guys? Happy Saturday. Jess and I are here today at famous Ikea because we're turning, Brittany and I have a makeup room in the back of our house. We're turning it into a closet makeup room. So we want to get some built-ins. So we're here. So let's go take a look.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know.
They have Molly dogs. Look at Molly. They have Molly dogs. I might have to buy her. I might have to because I'm really struggling, you guys. I can't sleep at night. I roll my pillow up. I might need a Molly dog. What do you think?
I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes.
We're at Home Depot right now because Ikea, we wanted to check it out. Now we want to see some of the closet organization that they have here. So let's check out Home Depot. Like this thing, right? Like these kinds of things. Oh, and they sell them down here. Chicken noodle soup and a salad for me. Mozzarella sticks for the man. So we got a grilled chicken Caesar, dressing on the side. Looks like there's croutons, cheese, lettuce, and pita bread. And Jess got mushroom Swiss burger and fries. Bon appetit! As you can see, it's already nighttime. And now where are we? That is so funny.
Feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone. If I could take you back to my youth and show you what I wish I knew. My will is strong with a place to lean. In the moment I hung desperately. The other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light it holds. When I return from my skin and bones, I'm remembering the words you told me. Wait, hold on, put me together. Take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together. Take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.
Anything that we were looking for here, but that's okay because clearly we had a blast. We've been here over an hour. All right, so in the meantime, we have some wood bars going up on either side of this little cutout in the room, and we have tension rods holding it up. So those tension rods are going to come down, but it just has to hold the wood glue for now. This cubey thing we have, it's going to go horizontally on its side under that window. And here's the aftermath of getting everything cleaned out. Oh my God, I'm so anxious because I hate a mess. But I just wanted to share what's going on. Yes, so as you can see, it is the next day. Just right now had to run to get another one of those rods. We just decided it's easier for me to just have 2 bars straight across. I have a lot of clothes. I've also donated quite a bit and gotten rid of some things. And having the built-ins is what we wanted to do. But when it comes to being realistic, I just don't think it's enough room for me. I need rods. So we're going to do a bunch of rods, 2 rods, I think, 2 to start. And then we've got those cubes. So he's over there doing that. I have to run over to an assisted living and drop some gloves off to one of our caregivers. So after that, Brittany and I have to go to Trader Joe's and a couple of things. I want to go to Home Goods and get new curtains for that room. I need a new rug. So you're going to see everything as it happens. What is up, you guys? It's the next day and the back room is looking so amazing, but now it's a work day. So I just wanted to show you what I had for breakfast. Core Power 26. If you can't find these anywhere, your local CVS has them. ShopRite carries them. I just grabbed this on the way out. Near my house, not too far away, is a CVS, so I grabbed one of these. Drink it. It's empty. I drank it on the way here. So I'm going to go inside, get in my work day. I have a yogurt with me. I have a Chomps meat stick. I have another protein shake. And that's what I have for the day. I should be home by 5 today. So it's a little bit of a shortened day. All right, I will see you later. And then I want to show you the back room because we've been working on it so much over the last 24 hours. It's just, I love it, and I'm excited to show you. All right, I'm going inside. I'll see you later.
My little girl, your eyes so blue under.
I'm in the elevator. I'm in the elevator, heading to the bathroom. Oh my gosh, I gotta go to the bathroom. I'm gonna show you the outfit I'm wearing today. So here it is. I have on a pair of black and gray checkered pants. I have my little Chanel bag, my vest, a bell sleeve sweater, and here I am. Here I am. All right, I gotta get to work. Bye, guys. Who knew it was National Bosses Day? Not me, but I got into my office and this was on my desk. So Jennifer, who is the office director of operations, left me this beautiful bag. She knows I love black. She knows I love Betsy Johnson and skulls and things. And she got me this awesome hydro flask so that I can keep it with me at my desk or take it out on the road. Thanks, Jen. All right, guys, so you are here in the room right now. Please keep in mind, there's a lot going on. It's not completed yet, but I still want to show you just a couple things that we've done so far. My intent is to spend the whole weekend home finishing this room, but let me just show you in the meantime, just so you can see some things. Hold on, I'm going to turn the camera around. Let me start out by showing you the angle. I'm standing by the door. This is the door to go out into the hallway. This is stuff that still has to be put away. Again, it's a work in progress, but I want to show you. Remember when we went to Ikea the other day and we were going to do the built-ins here? We decided to do the rods. So let me just show you. I'm going to show you so I'm still in the picture here. And the cleaning stuff and this are all going, but in the meantime, so we have this notched out section to the room. So we were going to put a built-in in there, and then we were going to do some built-ins over here, but we decided since we have, you know, that notched out area and I have limited space, I would have 2 rods to put my clothes in. It just works out so much easier for me. I also have a closet here that I'm going to show you what's inside. But in the meantime, nothing's organized. It's just clothes that I took out of some drawers and whatnot and just decided to hang them up. We have a ton of hangers here that have to be used. This used to be next to my makeup table, which is which is over here. Now, let me spin you around. Hold on. All right, now that I've spun you around, I think we can see a little bit better. Here's my makeup table. This thing used to be, I have two of them. They used to be over here. But the problem was those drawers were filled with makeup and hair tools and things like that. And I need more space, as you can see. So we actually found these at Costco. We have two of them in my daughter's room, well, Brittany's room. And I decided to keep one in here. And what I love most about it is you could literally put anything in here. So let me just show you. In one of these, I have some heels and things that I hardly ever wear. What's the sense of that, right? In here, I have some boots and some Ugg slippers. Here's all my winter hats, socks, gloves, more Carhartts, just different things for the winter because we are getting into winter. You can see down at the bottom, I have some socks and my leather gloves, regular mittens. So it's just easy access. I could put this downstairs in our hall closet, but it's just easier when you're getting dressed just to have, you know, everything at once. So another bin, and these things are deep. That's my hand next to it. So I'm going to be putting the other one together. And then I have two down here. One is loaded with t-shirts and the other is loaded with sweatshirts. These are things that I reach for quite often. The makeup table, this I got years ago at Ikea, and it does have glass on the top. Love this thing. I've been using it for years. And it did come with this velvet laying piece so that this stuff doesn't slide around. But I took it out a while back because it just got stained from makeup. And this is just what I use or grab for every day. Brittany gets ready in here too. So we have that. This is, again, more things that I reach for all the time when I'm getting dressed. I do have a plastic riser for this big, beautiful mirror. It's got Bluetooth. See? It's got everything that you would need. And then I have my little, this is just a little mirror that I use. It's got a magnifier. New curtains for the room. We did have white sheers in here. I love these because, first of all, I love the color. I just love it. And where is the bird? It's embossed with a really nice, like, floral pattern. Can you see? With leaves. But there's a hidden bird. Oh, there it is. There's the little hidden bird. See it? I don't know why, but I loved it. And I thought it was very stage-like with the mirror. Like, watch. When I close these. Hold on. I'm going to show you. It reminds me of... Obviously, I have to fix the top. I'm just doing this one-handed, but it just, I don't know, it reminded me of like a set, like behind a Broadway type place. Picked these beautiful benches up at Home Goods. Let me show you what's in the closet. So let's put the light on. So here's that other, I forget what this thing is called, but perfumes and things like that. And then to the left, I have dresses and pants, you know, like jumpsuits and whatnot, all the way in the back here. And then I have long puffer vests, jacket, vest. At the top, I still have to clean all this out. This entire thing is makeup brushes and some jewelry. But I tried to organize this, like, this is some of the jewelry that I reach for daily. This is Brittany's. But I have, you know, I keep things in boxes. I like it kept that way. I don't have a jewelry box because I've always used this. But what we did was we started to organize the drawers. Check it out. It's just, I don't know, it just makes things easy. And all the way at the bottom is where I keep all my hair tools. See? A little towel. Anyway, I love this thing, and it fits right in the closet. How cool is that? So when you're sitting here getting ready, you could just pull out, right? Okay. Let's take a look at this mess that I have to deal with. So I still have about 4 or 5 big bins of clothes, and I've been trying to weed through. I think it's just a little bit much. Like, there's stuff in here that I just don't wear, and I need to organize it. Like, I have leather blazers, regular blazers, fuzzy jackets. I have blazers up here. I just, my stuff is kind of all over the place. I got, you know, a fur vest here. I got a fur vest over there. I have nowhere to put this, so it may go in my bedroom. Behind our bedroom door, we have a big space, so I might put that in there. Obviously, this stuff is going away, and then we got this beautiful big mirror the other night from Home Goods. Love that. And up here, this is a picture I bought. I'm sure if you've been following me a while, you've seen it. I got this, believe it or not, when we first moved into the house. I bought this at the Goodwill, and I absolutely love it. It's actually on a canvas. I don't know if you could tell, but it's a little below here. Look at this. Let me see if I could get you behind. You see where it's at? So we're going to raise that up a little bit. And I have my felt hat because it's the fall. But yeah, how cool is this? I just have to put the other bin. Oh, and a new rug. A new rug for the room. Another item purchased at Home Goods. How cool is that? I love it. How pretty. So that's that. We have this little open space. I don't know what I'm going to be putting here. Maybe a picture. And then I'm going to clear this out. This will have my bathrobe ×2. And this towel I used this morning, so that's why it's up here drying. But I want to get that a little bit more organized. Some pocketbooks and bags. I got to do something with that. And then the rest of this mess. So you will be seeing me organizing all of this very soon. So that's it so far, guys. I love it. It's comfortable. I love the color scheme. The colors in here used to be like an aqua gray-ish color. So again, I'm enjoying the colors and made it more neutral. So what do you think? I think I might end the video here, and then in the next video show you some more, because I think we're at quite a bit of a video here. So anyway, guys, thanks for sticking around and doing some shopping with us and enjoying putting this new room together. This is a spare bedroom, by the way, in case anybody was curious. So we have 4 bedrooms. This is just an extra room. We designated it as a makeup room and a closet room. It's just, it helps out a lot if you have an extra room to do this for you females out there, or males, doesn't matter. Look, pretty, right? All right, guys, I hope you have a great day. Love you. See you soon. Bye.